dolphins are very, very intelligent, so that they have social lives. A few are more grumpy, a few are more happy, others are full of adrenaline. But they do organize their pods very well, very responsibly. Every dolphin has a function, and they gather themselves in groups inside of the pod. When the pod is traveling, a few dolphins would gather and go ahead and be scouts. They will be looking out for dangers, clusters of boats, sharks. Other dolphins, usually older mothers, they will gather the babies around when there are too many babies and form a nursery.